Welcome to Kemo India. As part of the Kemo Global organization, we have a dedicated Kemo team based in Bengaluru providing world-leading technical sales and support for the full range of Kemo products. We also offer production of the premium Kemo cable range along with cable servicing and repair. Kemo is committed to being part of the growth in the Make in India, and we have plans to expand our now well-established Kemo Make in India product range. Keep a lookout for the products that proudly carry the Make in India logo on our dedicated Kemo India website. We also support our customers with technical application assistance based on decades of hands-on test engineering experience. Speak to us to discuss the right product for your application. So here's a short video showcasing our cable facility in Bengaluru, where we specialize in the production and servicing of premium Kemo cables. Here in Bengaluru, our cable assembly team used the same quality materials supplied directly from our Kemo UK headquarters. This is a part of Kemo's quality control. Wherever possible, we also embrace Make in India and are now pleased to use a local cable manufacturer to supply one of our cables that meets the high specification required by Kemo. Our cable build equipment focuses on accuracy and repeatability, ensuring every cable is stripped to the correct dimensions and without core signal damage. Our cables are widely used for accelerometers, microphones, load cells, and a wide range of other sensors and data acquisition instrumentation. We focus on high levels of screen coverage for protection against radio frequency interference and other extrinsic signal noise effects. Venture beyond the confines of Earth with Kemo's innovative solutions, featuring low outgassing cables meticulously designed for satellite and space applications. These cables meet the rigorous environmental conditions of space whilst also providing the low outgassing specification for satellites and launch vehicles. Wherever you use piezoelectric accelerometers or other dynamic sensors effectively mitigate motion-induced noise, also known as triboelectric noise, with Kemo's high-performance low-noise cables featuring an anti-microphonic material. We take pride in producing many of Kemo's premium cable ranges here in Bengaluru, India. Remember, all our cables are available in custom lengths to suit your specific applications. While we typically stock a variety of completed cable assemblies in commonly used lengths such as 3 meters and 5 meters, we also offer custom lengths upon request. Additionally, we provide raw cable stock and connectors for a self-assembly. For more details, be sure to visit our connectors page, explore our diverse selection of cable joiners and bulkhead connectors as well. Thank you for choosing Kemo.